Take a look at your house tonight and imagine being the smartest, the safest, and the most vibrant one in the neighborhood. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Santi with the Tech Utopia team, and today I'm here to talk to you about the world's first radar-activated outdoor lights. Celebrate life, secure nights. These aren't your average light strips, they're smarter, they're brighter, and they're definitely built to impress. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Now, unlike traditional sensors, they usually either miss the movement or they trigger late, but with the S4 tech, it has the biggest head start in the game. It accurately tracks the human movement even in the rain, snow, or around obstacles with over 98% detection accuracy. The traditional lights flicker on late, the eufy S4 lights activate instantly so you're never left in the dark. Now, the light strip comes equipped with a built-in radar motion sensor and not the usual infrared one. And unlike traditional PIR sensors that only detect the heat, radar can sense the movement more precisely. Even through rain, fog, and thin materials, it reacts faster and more consistently. Now, when it comes to the RGB, it has RGB WW color mixing from 1500 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin because light isn't just about safety but creating an atmosphere as well. And the S4 transitions smoothly from warm candlelight at 1500 Kelvin to a daylight to 6000 Kelvin. And that means you can set the perfect mood, whether it's a family dinner, a backyard hangout, or festive celebrations. And with over 281 trillion colors, your home transitions into a showcasing in every season or event. Now, when it comes to the installation, you might be thinking, oh man, this is gonna be a headache. To be honest, it's definitely not. They made it very simple so you can get started right away. Alright guys, so I'm ready for the installation process, and in theory it should be fairly simple because it's all you have is the power source over here that you're gonna plug it into the wall, and then the on and off button that connects onto the light. Of course, all you have to do is just screw them on, this to secure it as well over here. So the lights are all plug and play, and either you can just use the tape. If you don't want to use the tape, you can just simply screw them on with the screws that comes with it, the hardware. So in theory, it should be fairly simple to just plug and play and installing them. So let's get started. All right, so now I have the outline of how the lights are gonna be, but I hung them right now on small hooks that I have to kind of get the idea of how long it's gonna be before I actually put them on. And yeah, that's it. It looks like it's gonna be good, so I'm just gonna put him throughout the gutters right here on the edge, following the outside, coming in, and just going around the corner at the end. Well, that was my original plan, but my dad had other plans. But nonetheless, the strategy was still the same. We just put it on the other side of the house. The flexible light strip bends naturally around the edges, connects seamlessly with waterproof connectors, and stays durable in all weather. Whether it's raining, snowing, or even the hottest sun, it has IP67 waterproof and dustproof because these lights are meant to shine bright all year no matter the weather conditions. Now, this is what it all comes down to, just security, because if you have the eufy camera and you compare it up to the lights, and every time that the camera picks up any movement, is going to tell the lights and the lights would shine on, so that gives you full brightness and illumination with detection in real time. And now that is smart security working hand in hand. And I've never seen light strips move with people before, so just imagine interacting with them with your kids during Christmas. They'll pretty much make your home the happiest one in the neighborhood. It's a radar activated 3-in-1 permanent lights for daily, holiday, and security. Now, it's not that you need the camera installed to enable the lights following movement and security, because the radar by itself can achieve those features. Now let's move on to the fun part, because it also has an AI light show that you can choose over 120 presets for every occasion, from Christmas sparkles to party vibes, and even a music sync mode to where the lights are going to dance perfectly to the beat. So you can transform the entire house exterior with just a tap and no complicated setup required. Now let's talk about quality and durability, because these aren't just flimsy seasonal lights. With protective casing and reinforced connections, the S4 strips are built to last. They look premium, they feel solid, and maintain the performance year after year. It's professional grade lighting without the professional installation headache. So it's not just lighting, it's lighting with purpose. So if you're ready to upgrade your home to a smarter, safer, and undeniably stylish, this is the time to check out the eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights S4. Celebrate life, secure nights, and upgrade today, because you'll never go back to ordinary lights. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.